boys and girls.
Hello.
Do you like the cakes and pies you see here?
I think they're just beautiful. And they look delicious too.
Today, I'll teach you some interesting idioms using cakes and pies.
And I'll teach you how to make hotcakes at home. But what is an idiom, Haley?
An idiom is a group of words put together to make a special meaning.
Is it difficult to understand its special meaning?
Sometimes you have to use your imagination to picture the real thing it wants to say. Then find out what it really means in books or dictionaries.
Or you could listen to what we're going to tell you about some idioms.
That's right. Let's start with this piece of cake.
Yummy.
Yum. But I am full now. Can you finish your cake, Jenny?
Certainly. No problem. It's a piece of cake.
In English, when we find something very easy to do, we can say, "It's a piece of cake."
Use it when you chat with other people. It's a piece of cake.
Okay.
Thank you.
How was your driving test, Dad?
I think I got a pass. It was a piece of cake.
Congratulations!
I find cooking easy. Learning to cook is a piece of cake.
Are you going to show us how to make hotcakes now?
Yeah, come on. These are the ingredients we need. Flour, sugar, baking powder, an egg, oil, and milk. Let's mix them first. Then mix it. Now add some milk. Stir again to make a batter. Now pour some oil into the pan. Now turn on medium heat. Drop the batter in the pan. Here come the hotcakes.
They smell delicious. You can serve them with butter and syrup or fruit.
They look great.
Who else wants to try? Very special cake for you.
Looks yummy. Come on, guys. Let's go eat down there.
Let's eat them while they're hot. old days, hotcakes were sold at food fairs and church activities.
Look, all the hotcakes are gone. I'm thinking of selling them to my friends.
Good idea. You might make some money. Do you know? Selling like hotcakes is an idiom too.
Let me guess. It means something is selling quickly and in great numbers.
Good guess, Jenny. In the United States, hotcakes are also called pancakes.
I wonder what else is selling like hotcakes now.
Look at the queue. The newest mobile phones are selling like hotcakes. The tickets of this 3D movie are selling like hotcakes. We may not get any seats.
I wish I could open a cake shop.
But then you wouldn't have enough time for study or leisure.
I know.
You can't have your cake and eat it too.
Is that an idiom? I don't understand.
Yes, it's an idiom. What'll be left on the plate after you eat the cake?
Nothing.
Can you still have the cake after you eat it?
Of course not.
The idiom means that if you have two choices, you can't have them both.
So, I have to choose between two things, right?
Right. Either you eat the cake or you just have it on the plate.
Ah, I understand now. I want more spare time for leisure, so no more cake shop.
Have you packed for the holiday yet? We've a plane to catch tomorrow morning.
I know, Mum. I would like the trip to Thailand. Yet I'll miss the school football match tomorrow.
Okay, either stay or go. You can decide. You can't have your cake and eat it too.
Fine. I'll go to Thailand then. I'll go unpack now.
Choosing between two favorite things is difficult.
It's not a piece of cake.
It's not as easy as pie.
Hey, I know the word easy. Let me guess. As easy as pie means something very easy and simple.
Well done, Jenny.
A piece of cake and as easy as pie, they have the same meaning.
But when something is difficult to do, we say,
It's not as easy as pie.
you're a quick learner, Jenny. Let's look at these pies. They have either a fruit, meat, or vegetable filling inside a pastry case.
Wow! This one's a slice of apple pie.
Do you know? Apple pie is a traditional dessert in Europe and America.
This one's sweet.
This one is a sausage roll. It's like a pie, but it has a minced pork filling. This one is a curried beef pie.
This one's spicy.
Oh, look here. This is a spinach cheese pie. And this is a pumpkin pie. It's a popular dessert for Halloween and Thanksgiving in America and Canada.
Smells great. I want to try them all, Haley.
Okay. Hey, Jenny. Don't you think you have your finger in too many pies?
I have my finger in too many pies? What does this idiom mean?
Morning.
Hey son, you look really tired. You have your finger in too many pies. Cut some activities.
All right, Mum. I really can't do 5 activities in one day.
Jenny, can you tell me the meaning of this idiom?
Let me guess. Pies are the food we like. Your finger in too many pies means too many things you like to do.
Very close, Jenny. The idiom means someone who does too many things at a time.
Is it a good thing to have your finger in too many pies?
No, it's not. You have your finger in too many pies is an idiom to warn people not to do too many things at a time, or they can't do any of the things well.
I get it now. Hope you try making some hotcakes for your family and friends.
And don't forget to use cake and pie idioms when you chat with people.
Idioms make our conversations way more fun.
See you next time.
Bye!
Okay. Thank you.
How was your driving test, Dad?
I think I got a pass. It was a piece of cake.
We may not get any seats. The tickets of this 3D movie are selling like hotcakes. As easy as pie means something very easy and simple. But when something is difficult to do, we say,
It's not as easy as pie.
Hey son, you look really tired. You have your finger in too many pies.